Hi guys, welcome to another video on optimizations inside Amazon DSP. In my previous video, I mentioned how to use inventory report and supply sources to find the gaps in your optimizations where you can save a ton of money on a monthly and a yearly level. In this video, I'm going to talk about the same inventory report, but we're going to look at the placement report inside of it. So follow along. It's pretty easy to find it. Once inside your Amazon DSP, you will see your orders listed here. Now for each and every order, once you go inside, you will see this one. So inventory report on the left. By default, you are landed on line items. Just go down below to inventory report. And this is absolutely the same report that we used in our last video. The thing here is that you can switch here between different options. So here, as in previous video, we use supply source, but you can use also domain or apps, deals, and placement sizes. Now for this particular account, we don't have any domains or apps or deals here, so we're gonna focus on placement size, inventory type. Once you do that, you will be presented with a bunch of data. The date range is month to date, and now let's sort by total cost. Once you do that, you will immediately spot some good ROAS, so 9, 7, 13. 2, not that good. We may consider pausing that one, but take a look at this guy. So it's one of the top spenders in terms of cost. It has 0.4 ROAS, so that's terrible. So that's the placement that we want to turn off, and I will show you how to do that. It's only a few clicks away. Also, there are a few other candidates that, based on the placement size, we can determine roughly where they are coming from. So do that for all of your orders. So this is only a short date range, and the total spend is close to 1,000. So it's not a big deal, but still, why waste 127 euros? It's not bringing you enough sales. So there's an additional one that's also a good example. Second order, also let's do the same, sort by the total cost, and you will see that there are also some candidates that we can shut off completely. I think it's not such a bad situation here, but yes, we can. I think it's actually the same one that we can delete from the previous one. So to stop advertising on this placement size, you need to go to your creatives. So to go there, you need to go back to your line item and then go to the creative section. And then if you have multiple creatives, this is something that you need to do for each one of them. So once you scroll down to the placement section, choose specific sizes, and on the list, find the one placement that you want to exclude. So for this occasion, it's this 350 by 420, and we want to find it, and 350, 420, then turn it off and click save. And that should be it. So this is how we do it, and we've seen savings by doing it this way. So yes, it's pretty simple. It's another level of optimizations you can do on your DSP, and I will be covering more in the following days. Follow me on LinkedIn for more of these tips, and follow us on YouTube. Bye bye, guys.